Welcome to this introduction of EUsatcom, the new European Professional Satellite Association. My name is Huub Eurlings and I'm happy to introduce to you EUsatcom, that has been founded after a number of satellite conferences and events here in Amsterdam and is based on the work of a couple of satellite professional groups in Europe. First of all, let's have a look at where EUsatcom stands in the European satellite industry. In the industry, you have the satcom value chain with satellite operators, teleports, system integrators, service providers and installers. And we see that at one side we see about 500 companies, and on the other side we see about 5,000 satellite professionals. And they all struggle with the main challenge in this industry, the fast evolving technology. How can I stay up to date on technology? A company will ask. I would like to take advantage of that. And how can I position my company, my brand, my product or service in the value chain? How do I get good people? How can I train them? How can I find strategic partners to build out my business, build out my distribution network, my ecosystem? How can I do more business? On the other side, the professionals, the satellite professionals, same question. How can I stay up to date on technology and improve my skills and knowledge? How can I achieve my targets? Extend my personal network and orient myself on the labor market and maybe get another job or another customer? How can I enhance my career? And EUsatcom is right in the middle of that. And for that reason, we started out in 2012 organizing a conference in the Casa 400 conference location. We had speakers, renowned speakers, both present and online, addressing the audience on the 3 tracks. The first theme was the coming of Ka-band systems in Europe. We talked about Ka-band, but also Inmarsat was discussed. Theme 2 was satellite and multi-network solutions. Satellite is not always the only solution, but is part of the global internet. The third theme was satellite data services and the developments in that area. Of course, networking is always a very important part of conferencing and events. In 2013, we organized the conference again, this time a bit larger with a bit more audience, and also again with a number of tracks where international renowned experts shared their views on developments in the satellite world. In track 1, a new era of satellite communications. High performance satellites are coming. What is their impact? We talked about satellite and IP networking. What specific measurements must be taken to have a smooth working of IP over satellite? And the third track was satellite machine-to-machine communication coming up, and a very interesting area of new market. We had some very passionate presentations, and of course there as well the networking part is a very important part of the whole event. During the conference in June 2013, there was a lunch break session with a number of professionals from all over Europe discussing the possibility to set up an association and formalize these events. Background of this group was from EUsatcom, the Dutch Society of Satellite Professionals, Broadcasting and Satellite Network from the UK. There were some people from the Stammtisch in Paris, and there were some other people. And all in total there was about 20 European satellite professionals that took the initiative to form EUsatcom as an association. The charter was formalized and concluded with the following goals. First of all, stimulate the continued professional development of satellite professionals in Europe. Organize and support events in Europe for the distribution of knowledge of new technologies and practices within the satellite industry. Create an alliance of satellite professional groups and associations within the European arena. And promote the European satellite industry to young professionals and encourage them to join. And last, promote the European satellite industry endorsed by the major industry players. We had a soft launch of the association during the EUsatcom Innovation Awards 2013 that were held at IBC Monday in Amsterdam. There was a very interesting innovation award where we have some very high-end new satellite innovations passing the show. In the end, the Smart LNB entry won the award for 2013, and in general we had a very good event with a lot of networking opportunities here. How does the organization of EUsatcom look? Very easy. We are an independent European organization. We are a not-for-profit association established in the Netherlands, and we are associated with satcom organizations all over the world. We start with about 300 members, and these are mainly basic members that are already subscribed to our newsletter. We will have also standard members that pay a subscription fee, and for that they will get a discount when visiting our event, and they get also voting rights in the General Assembly. That's going to meet about 2 times per year, and we're going to organize it in a way that everybody can follow that online. And there will be also an association board that consists of satellite professionals from all over Europe that's going to meet 4 times a year. The founding chairman there is Gert-Jan Steketee. For all the practical work, there is a bureau that takes care of that. So what is our budget for this coming year? First, we have about 40k euro operational costs for the bureau. We have to set up the secretary, our online infrastructure, our membership administration, finance and control, and we have to initiate our marketing, our sponsor acquisition and member acquisition programs. And we have also an event budget. We have 2 Heartbeat events planned this year that are not included in this budget as they are financed separately, but we do have about 5 roadshows that are planned in Berlin, in Bagnan, but also in London and Paris. That's going to cost about 10k euro. So what type of memberships do we have? First of all, we have individual memberships. Professionals can join as individual members, and we have there 3 different types of memberships. We have the basic membership that is free. For that you get a newsletter, you are on our mailing list, you get online goodie bags when available, and you have access to free events. Then we have our standard membership. Standard membership is for those satcom professionals that want to visit our events. Subscription fees there give a discount to EUsatcom events, and also you have voting rights in the General Assembly. Of course, we do also have student memberships. They are basically for free, but with a duration of a maximum of 2 years. We have also, for the standard members, we have introduced a friend bonus. When you bring a friend as a standard member, you get a €25 discount voucher for the conference and or awards event. We also have corporate membership. Depending on the size, you pay a subscription fee. All corporate members have at least 2 individual members of the management team that have a vote in the General Assembly, and all other company staff can subscribe using their corporate email address and have the same rights as paid members. Sponsorship opportunities, we offer them as well. We identify 2 different types. First of all, we have the launch partner and associate sponsors that supporting the launch and the standing organization and general activities on a per year basis. And second, we have event sponsorships where sponsors can support a specific event like the conference or the awards or a roadshow event at a certain location at a certain time. If you want to know more about this, just contact us and we can tell you more about these opportunities. Partnerships, we have established partnership with SSPI that was also involved in the setup of the organization, and as well as with ERG as SatLab that have sponsored our soft launch event. We are looking forward to work with ISOA, with CASBA, SIA and GVF in the future. Activities events, very straightforward. Main focus of EUsatcom is on the events, where we have our heartbeat events. On May 22nd there is the EUsatcom conference again, and on the 8th of September, that is the Monday in IBC, we have again our Innovation Awards in Amsterdam. Also this year we have about 5 roadshow events planned throughout Europe. Stay put for more information on that. And as you know, all our events are hybrid. We have them face to face, but we will always record all the presentations there and make them available online. Apart from the events, we have to get organized, set up the organization, establish our branding, and get our sponsor membership acquisition going, and connect, of course, to local group and initiatives of satellite professionals throughout Europe. I thank you for the attention. If you want to connect with us, please do so at one of our social media streams or websites. We have established our bureau in Amsterdam, and of course we need you to make this happen. So join us, join EUsatcom, and advance your career and do more business in future. Thank you very much.